Hey all, Johnny Mullet here with another video. Y'all remember the mystery scooter that I got from that friend of mine who passed away? I told you it was a unique build. It was something different, something I never seen before. Turns out it's a 15 to 20 year old China-made scooter. They came with 36 volt electric and 49cc gas. They discontinued them because they were unsafe and they went too fast. This one here, on the other hand, my friend actually put a 79cc engine on it, so it's got a much bigger motor. I showed you before he added this bar and the fuel tank, and he did some welding here and some weird stuff. But anyway, this thing's been very reliable and very fun to ride. I've already put about 100 miles on it, and you know what? I want you all to stay tuned, because before I tear into it any further and start ripping it down, I want to get this video out so I can actually make a video on rebuilding this thing. Stay tuned. Alright, time for the motor. Okay, chain is off. I think we're ready to go here. Alright. When I said this one is homemade, I wasn't lying. And some of you may be thinking, why would I rebuild something this guy built? That's because I'm going to build it better. So here is a close-up of the homemade engine bracket. And it looks like the frame was cut here, moved over this way. This is 2 pieces of metal instead of 1. And look at that. Would you just look at it? So, yeah, I gotta build this better, stronger, safer. I think I'm also going to, we're gonna have to see the exhaust is burning right here. I'm gonna cut this fender out a little bit bigger. We're gonna keep the fender because it's like nostalgic. Probably gonna do something with this. I got big plans, guys. I got big plans. Alright, the scooter is pretty much tore down. There's one thing I wanted to show you guys. There's a reason for everything. And let's get this plate here out of the way. As you can see, this used to be electric, but anyway, look at the seat post. I don't know if we can see this or not. See, that weld is broken right there. So this whole seat post was just moving back and forth without me knowing. The only thing holding it was pretty much nothing. But as you can see, there's where the original foot pegs were. This one here, I mean, this is terrible. This all needs redone. I mean, do I really want to go that far into this? I mean, it's pretty bad. And I don't like how the frame was literally cut here, moved over to here, and then this loop looks like there's a bolt that was welded in there to make it wider to compensate for the gas motor. But man, I just might have to change this whole thing up. We'll let you know.